Okay, good morning to all of you. I will take your PSM theories. Okay, I want to complete your nutrition and diet. Yesterday till where we have written? Till where did we study last yesterday?
Pyridoxine.
Huh? Pyridoxine.
Deficiency of vitamin. Yes, ma'am.
Pyridoxine B6. No, I think we finished pantothenic acid also.
Yes, ma'am. Source of pantothenic also.
Source of pentatonic acid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you write down the deficiency. Write down the deficiency. Deficiency of deficiency you write down. You write folate deficiency. Folate deficiency. Folate deficiency. Folate deficiency may occur simply. Folate deficiency may occur simply from a poor diet. From a poor diet. From a poor diet. Full stop. It is commonly found in. It is commonly found in. It is commonly found in pregnancy and lactation. It is commonly found in pregnancy and lactation. It is commonly found in pregnancy and lactation. Full stop. It results in
Ma'am, pregnancy and
lactation. Next you write it results in megaloblastic anemia. It results in megaloblastic anemia. Megaloblastic MEGALOBLASTIC. Megaloblastic anemia. ANEMI anemia. In bracket you write, open a bracket and write down the meaning of megaloblastic anemia. Open a bracket and write bone marrow produces usually 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 large large unstructured 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 immature 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 RBC. So in megaloblastic anemia, what happens in the bone marrow? Okay, there will be formation of immature demand size of the size that it should be of the RBCs. It grows larger in size. Okay, and it becomes immature and also unstructured RBCs. What is the full form of RBC?
Red blood cells.
Yes.
red blood cell, ma'am.
No. So all this becomes immature and also unstructured. Okay. So at this time, the person suffers from megaloblastic anemia. Okay, and it happens usually in the bone marrow. Comma, you write glossitis, comma, glossitis, GLOSSITIS, glossitis. What is glossitis? What is glossitis? Yesterday I told you. What is glossitis? Srijana, what is glossitis?
Ma'am, swelling of tongue.
Yes, very good. Glossitis, comma, you write cheilosis, CHEILOSIS, cheilosis. And what is chelosis, Rohan? What is chelosis? Say fast. Rohan, you say. Who was present yesterday? Sajarika Debarma. You know what is chelosis?
No, ma'am.
Anybody knows? I told you yesterday. Kajal. Sakani, you know what is chelosis? Yes, Sakani, you say. Do you know what is chelosis?
Pardon, ma'am?
Chelosis. Chelosis. Do you know what is chelosis? Cheillosis. Yesterday, I've already told you about chelosis.
Ma'am, chewing of gums.
Yes, some of the people, they have the habit of chewing gums, because of which there is wound, okay, or else there will be bleeding in the gums. That is known as chelosis. Who gave the answer, by the way? Sakani or what? Okay, whoever it was.
Yes, ma'am. Sakani.
Okay, good. Next, you write down chelosis and gastrointestinal disturbances and gastrointestinal disturbances. Gastrointestinal disturbances. Gastro, GASTROINTESTINL, the GI tract. Okay, the gastrointestinal disturbances such as diarrhea, DIA, diarrhea, comma, distension, 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 and flatulence, flatulence, flatulence means what? Flatulence means gas. Okay, flatulence. Okay, flatulence means gas. And distension means what? Your belly will become distended, or it will swell up. Okay, your belly becomes swelled up. So that is known as distension. Especially sometimes we suffer distension when we have gastritis. Okay. So next you write down vitamin B12. Next you write vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, you write down the sources. Vitamin B12 sources, you write. Good sources are liver, LIVER, liver. Good sources are liver, 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 comma, meat, 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 liver, meat, comma, fish, 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 comma, milk, 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 and cheese, CHEESE, cheese. Liver, meat, fish, egg, milk, and cheese. So these are some of the good sources of vitamin B12. Deficiency, Liha. Write down the deficiency. Deficiency is your megaloblastic anemia. Okay. Deficiency is megaloblastic anemia, same as that of vitamin B5. Okay, like the pantothenic acid. But here flatulence, all these GI tract disturbances, okay, all these things won't be present. Chelosis, okay. Then your glossitis is not present in vitamin B12, but the deficiency is only megaloblastic anemia. And you all know what is megaloblastic anemia, okay. What happens in the bone marrow? It becomes the unstructured and immature RBCs form. Okay, that is known as megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin C. Write down vitamin C. Vitamin C. Write down below. Vitamin C, in bracket you write ascorbic acid. The other name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. ASCORBIC, ascorbic acid, ACID. Ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, write down, is a water soluble vitamin. Is a water soluble vitamin. Is a water soluble vitamin. Full stop. Man, M-A-N, man, write down man, M-A-N, man, comma, monkeys, M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, man, comma, monkeys, and guinea pigs, and guinea, G-U-I-N-E-A, guinea pigs, G-U-I-N-E-A, guinea pig, P-I-G, pig, and guinea pig are perhaps the only species, known to require vitamin C, known to require vitamin C in their diet, So, man, okay, we all, then monkeys and guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are pigs, but these are very hollow, very small in size. Okay, so all these guinea pigs, we three are the only species that we use the vitamin C in our diet. Other species, they doesn't need, or they doesn't eat vitamin C. Okay, they don't need vitamin C for their diet. But we monkeys and the guinea pigs, we have this vitamin C. Sources you write. Sources you write. Lime, L-I-M-E, lemon, lime. All the SAR things comes under vitamin C. Okay, SAR, all the Tengamostu comes under vitamin C. Write down lime, comma, amla. Amla, you know, I guess, amla. What is amla?
Amlaki.
Huh?
Amlaki.
Okay, so amla.
Fruit, ma'am.
Okay. Then orange, O-R-N-G, orange, etc. are the rich sources of vitamin C. All the means Tengamostus, okay? Etc. are the rich source of vitamin C. Next, you write some vegetables also contains small proportion of vitamin C. Okay, you just write down vegetables. Just write down vegetables. Put a dash and write down vegetables like cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G, cabbage, comma, cauliflower, cabbage, comma, cauliflower, comma, spinach, S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach, comma, brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal, comma, potatoes, aloo, okay, potatoes, comma, radish, R-A-D-D-I-S-H, radish, etc. So these vegetables, it contains vitamin C, but in a very small proportion. Okay, the main sources are your Tengamostu, are your SAR things. Okay. Next, you write down the deficiency. What happens when there is a lack of vitamin C in the diet? Write down the deficiency. Write down scurvy, S-C-U-R-V-Y, scurvy. Scurvy. Scurvy means what? There will be weakness. Okay, then there will be some kinds of, especially weakness. Okay. Next, you write down weakness, or if you like feeling of too much tiredness. Okay, all these things are some of the symptoms of scurvy. Then you write the signs of which are scurvy, comma, the signs of which are swollen and bleeding gums, swollen and bleeding gums, swollen, SWOLLEN, swollen and bleeding gums, comma, bleeding in the skin, bleeding into the skin or joints, bleeding into the skin or joints, bleeding into the skin or joints, comma, delayed wound healing, means whenever you will have any whenever you will have any kind of wound, the healing will be very slow because of the lack of vitamin C in your body. Okay, delayed wound healing, comma, weakness, WEAKNEWS, weakness, comma, anemia, ANAEMIA. Anemia means what? There will be decreased amount of blood or decreased amount of hemoglobin in the body. Okay, and anemia is mostly suffered, the proportion is more in women than in male. Okay, for anemia, anemic patients you will get mostly women than male than the men. Okay, anemia, comma, weakness. So these are some of the deficiencies of vitamin C. So whenever you have bleeding in the gums or swollen, then you can take one medicine, Limc. Limc is very good. Okay, Limc is, it's like it's kind of a chocolate kind of, but it is medicine. It's not a chocolate. Okay, but the taste is like chocolate. You can just consume it, and it is good also. It is good for vitamin C. So you can also consume Limc if you want. Next, you write down the minerals. Next, you write minerals. Write down. Major, number A is major minerals. Number A is major minerals, major, M-A-J-O-R, major minerals. Number A is major minerals. In major minerals, you write calcium. Major minerals, put a dash and write calcium, 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 comma, phosphorus, PHOS, PHORUS, phosphorus, comma, sodium, 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 comma, potassium, 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 potassium and magnesium, potassium and magnesium, MAGNESIUM, magnesium. Number B you write, number B, trace elements. Number B you write trace elements. After the major element, after the major minerals, you write down trace elements. Put a dash and write iron, 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 comma, iodine, 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 iron, comma, iodine, comma, fluorine, 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 comma, zinc, 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 zinc. Next you write copper, cobalt, COPPER, copper, cobalt, COBALT, copper, cobalt, copper, cobalt. Next you write chromium, 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 comma, manganese, 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 etc. Manganese, etc. So these are the trace elements. Okay, these are all these elements come under the trace elements. Next, you write down the number C. You write trace contaminants. Number C, trace contaminants. CONTAMINANTS. Trace contaminants. Trace contaminants. Put a dash and write lead, LEAD. Lead, LEAD, lead. Then you write mercury, MERCURY, mercury. Okay, para. Okay, mercury, comma. Next you write barium, BARIUM, barium. BARIUM, barium, comma, boron, BORON, boron. Barium, boron, and aluminium. And aluminium. And aluminium. So these are the trace contaminants. Okay. So So minerals are divided into three groups, that is major minerals, trace elements, and the trace contaminants. Okay, so you should know in major minerals what are the elements. Okay, in major contaminants and elements, in trace contaminants and trace elements, what are the elements present? You should know. Number one, you write down calcium. We won't discuss everything, but just few important things we will discuss. Calcium, write down sources. Calcium, you write down sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. Next for sources, you write milk and milk products. Milk, gaki, milk and milk products. Milk and milk products. Example, you write cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese, comma, curd, C-U-R-D, curd, cheese, curd, butter, B-U-T-T-R, butter, skimmed milk, S-K-I-M-M-E-D, skimmed milk. Okay, skimmed milk are the milk that are skimmed. Okay, means it is gone through some processing. Okay, skimmed milk. Then you write ragi, R-A-G-I. Ragi means what? It's a kind of cereal. Okay, it comes under the cereals. Ragi, R-A-G-I. Next you write eggs, E-double-G-S, eggs, comma, fish. Eggs, comma, fish. Into the most richest source of calcium, you can say milk and milk products. Okay, eggs, comma, fish. Next you write number two, phosphorus. Phosphorus, you write number two, phosphorus. Phosphorus, you write it is essential for the formation of bones and teeth. It is essential for the formation of bones and teeth. It is essential for the formation of bones and teeth. It is essential for the formation of bones and teeth. Full stop. It plays an important role in all the metabolism. It plays an important role in all the metabolism. It plays an important role in all the metabolism. It plays an important role in all the metabolism. Next you write, an adult human body contains, an adult, A-D-U-L-T, an adult human body contains about, an adult human body contains about 400 to 700 grams of phosphorus. An adult human body contains about 400 to 700 grams of phosphorus or phosphates. Phosphorus, or you can also call it as phosphates. P-H-O-S-P-H-A-T-E-S, phosphates, comma, most of these occurs in bones and teeth. Most of this occurs in bones and teeth. So, what do you know that phosphorus, it is essential for the formation of bones and teeth. Okay. And also in the adult human body contains about 400 to 700 grams of phosphorus. And phosphorus, you can also call it as phosphates. Okay. Next, you write down the sources. Sources, likha, sources. Write milk and milk products. Sources, you write milk and milk products, comma, nuts, N-U-T-S. Nuts means any kind of nut. Okay, groundnut, almonds, okay, badam, all this. Nuts, comma, grains, especially whole grains. Grains, especially whole grains. Grains, especially whole grains. Then you write beans, B-N-S, beans. Whole. Next you write number 3, sodium. Next you write down sodium, S-O-D-I-U-M, sodium. Sodium. Sodium you write sources, S-O-U-R-C-S, sources, put a dash and write salted nuts. Salted nuts, S-L-T-D. Salted nuts, comma, smoked or S-M-O-K-E-D, smoked. Smoked or salted. Smoked or smoked or salted meat, M-E-A-T, meat. Smoke meat, okay, smoke meat or ever, smoke meat, salted meat ever, comma, fish, 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 comma, sausages, etc. Sausages, etc. sausages, sausages, etc. Deficiency, you write down. Deficiency is hyponatremia. Deficiency is hyponatremia. HYPO, hypo means decrease. Okay, decreased amount of sodium in the body is known as hyponatremia. Hypernatremia, if it's hypernatremia, that is increased amount of, hyper means always zada, okay, and hypo means कम. So if it is hypernatremia, that means there is increased amount of sodium in your body. And we see if there is too much increased amount of salt in your body, what happens? Your blood will become watery. Okay, the RBCs and the WBCs will be lessened. Okay, because of increased amount of salt in your body. So you should take salt, but in a accurate amount. Okay, not too much and not too less, because decrease also it will lead to hyponatremia. Basic form holo, it will lead to hyponatremia. Okay. Next, number 5, number 3 you write down. Okay, number 4 you write down potassium. Number 4 write down potassium. POTASSIUM, potassium. Potassium, you write down the sources. Potassium, you write sources. So in potassium, you will mainly get in bananas. Okay, bananas. Bananas are a rich source of potassium. Bananas, comma. Oranges, you write. Bananas, comma, oranges. Then grapefruit. GRAP, grapefruit. Kintu, the most accurate or the most richest source of potassium is, you should know, it is bananas. Okay, more than oranges, apricots, grapefruit. Okay, the richest source of potassium is in bananas. Okay, likha. Then some dried fruits such as some dried fruits such as dates, DATES, dates. What is dates? Date mane, what is date? DATE. Anyone? Dates?
Khajur.
Yes. So dates, comma, raisins, RAISINS. How much? Raisins. Then you write cooked spinach, etc. Cooked spinach, etc. Cooked spinach, etc. Deficiency, you write down. Deficiency will be hypokalemia. Deficiency is hypokalemia. HYPO, hypokalemia. KALEMIA. Acha, what is raisins? Anybody knows what is raisin?
Kishmish.
Yes, kismis. Means the dry grapes, right? These are raisins. So hypokalemia, open a bracket and write down low level of electrolyte potassium in the blood. The meaning of hypokalemia, you just write down low level of electrolyte potassium in the blood. That means there will be a decreased amount of potassium in your blood. Okay, low level of electrolyte potassium in the blood. Next, you write down iron. You write IRON. Iron, you write. Adult human body contains about. Adult human body contains about. Adult human body contains about. Adult human body contains about 3 to 4 grams of iron. 3 to 4 grams of iron. 3 to 4 grams of iron, about which 60 to 70%, about which 60 to 70% is present in the blood. Is present in the blood. Is present in the blood. In bracket you write HB ion. HB ion mane hemoglobin ion. Okay, HB ion. So it is present in your blood. And the rest, REST, and the rest 1 to 1.5 grams, and the rest 1 to 1.5 grams as storage ion. As storage ion. Next you write down the functions. Functions likha. Functions number 1 you write formation of hemoglobin, HB you can write formation of hemoglobin. Formation of hemoglobin. Number 2 you write brain development and its functions. Brain development and its functions. Brain development and its functions. Number 3, regulation of body temperature. Regulation of body temperature. You have already studied in hemorrhage, right? That if our body it goes into decreased amount of blood or decrease because of excessive blood loss, what will happen? You might have low blood pressure and the heart's pumping rate also increases. Okay, because it is unable to pump the blood because of less amount of blood in the body. So it helps in the regulation of body temperature, fever or whatever. Next you write muscle activity. Number 4, muscle activity. Number 4, muscle activity. Muscle activity. Next you write down the sources. Sources you write there are 2 forms of iron. Sources, there are 2 forms of iron. There are 2 forms of iron. Hem iron, hem, HAEM. Hem, put a dash and write iron. Hem iron and non-hem iron. Hem iron and non-hem iron. Hem iron and non-hem iron. In hem iron you write liver. Number A you write hem iron. HAEM. Hem iron, put a dash and write down liver, comma, meat, comma. Liver, meat, poultry and fish. Liver, meat, poultry and fish. Number B, you write non-hem iron. Number B, non-hem iron. Non-hem iron, put a dash and write cereals. CEREALS, cereals. Comma, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Comma, nuts, NUTS, nuts. Oil seeds, OILSEEDS, oil seeds. Comma, jaggeries, JAGGERY, jaggery, and dry fruits. Jaggery and dry fruits, DRY, dry fruits, FRUIT, dry fruits. Next, you write down the deficiency. Next, you write deficiency. The most common cause of iron deficiency. The most common cause of iron deficiency, anemia. The most common cause of iron deficiency, anemia, ANAEMI. The most common cause of iron deficiency, anemia. You can underline, okay? Iron deficiency, anemia, you please underline it. The most common cause of iron deficiency, anemia is the loss of iron in the blood. Is the loss of iron in the blood. Is the loss of iron in the blood. Okay. Next, the last one is iodine. After iodine, this chapter is complete. Okay, then we'll start with a new unit. Iodine, you write down the, okay, iodine, I'll just click picture at only one thing, only iodine is left, the sources and deficiency, okay. So I will give you in your WhatsApp, you can write it down, okay. But the sources are seafoods, then cod liver oil, okay, and some amount of milk, meat, all these are the sources, and deficiency, you will get hypothyroidism, goiter, all of these things, okay, and increased rate of abortion and stillbirths because of iodine deficiency. So you can write all these things in your exercise. So now you do one thing, you join the class again for your PSM practical. Thank you. You can leave the meeting.
Thank you.
Join again, okay.